Hey guys, I just got back from the club and I'm ready to start drawing. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Frieza in his first form. And if you must know, seeing Frieza in his first form was the first transformation we've seen in his Seeing Frieza in his first form was the first time we saw Frieza in action. Surely, you guys must know that Frieza, he's one of the main villains in the Dragon Ball Z Kai series. And, well, drawing him is a bit easy and a little bit hard, both at the same time. Okay, so here's his lips here. Here's the lines under his eyes here. Alexa, what is Dragon Ball Super about?
Dragon Ball Super is an action show starring Masako Nozawa, Naoki Tatsuta, and Ryo Horikawa. 6 months after the defeat of Majin Buu, the mighty Saiyan's son Goku continues his quest on becoming stronger. The series has an IMDb rating of 8.4 out of 10 and is rated TV PG.
Okay, so basically, seeing Frieza in Dragon Ball Super was kind of like one of the best things I've ever seen. Well, basically, it's sort of like a rip-off version of Battle of the Gods and Resurrection F. But I've got a good feeling that this might be the start of a new season. Instead of just, doing the thing with Dragon Ball Super, they should have just cut out the 2 scenes with Lord Beerus and Frieza, and possibly just skipped on to the Tournament of Destroyers thing. Okay, so there's his face. Alexa, who is Frieza?
According to Wikipedia, Frieza, romanized as Frieza in Japanese merchandise, Funimation's English subtitles and Viz Media's release of the manga, is a fictional character and villain in the Dragon Ball manga series created by Akira Toriyama. Frieza makes his debut in chapter number 247, Dark Clouds Swirl Over Planet Namek, first published in Weekly Shonen Jump magazine on October 24, 1989, as a galactic tyrant feared as the most powerful being in the universe.
Okay, so maybe Frieza isn't as powerful as he thinks, because he has to worry about Goku reaching his Ultra Instinct form again. And basically, if Goku ever runs into Frieza again, he might be able to turn into Ultra Instinct and defeat him. But I'm not sure if anyone would trust him again. He would have to fight Frieza alone. And Goku might not accept everyone as friends with them anymore. He might even kill Bulma in the process. I wonder if Bulma will ever become a fighter one of these days. And if she does, she might turn evil first. Anyways, this is Frieza's body. Alexa, play Dragon Ball Heroes.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission by Mark DeGroot on Amazon Music.
Okay. We will tell you facts about the characters real soon. Alexa, what is Autonomous Ultra Instinct?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, Autonomous Ultra Instinct is a fictional fighting technique from Dragon Ball Z. It relies on a completely clear mind to allow the natural body instincts to react instantaneously to danger. Its high speed and power comes at the price of a difficult strain on the fighter's body. Did that answer your question?
Yes.
Thanks for your feedback.
Okay. There's his arm here. There we go. Make sure to put these lines here. Next up is his tail. Now here's this line here. Next thing we have to draw is his hover chair. Drawing it is kind of easy. First you have to draw the lines here. There we go. There's the buffers. Now we don't have enough space for this, but there we go. And that's how you draw Frieza in his first form. Pretty impressive, don't you think, guys? Anyways, that's how you draw him. Now, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of amazing character I'll draw you guys next. Basically, Frieza in this first form was not my best interest for Frieza, but I got to see his other forms. My two favorites are his third and his golden form. I'll be drawing the gold form real soon. So that's how you draw Frieza. Bye!